we are clearing out some items on melaninhaircare.com, and I have an exclusive coupon code. All the details will be in the description box, but it is for 30% off. So if you're ever interested in trying our oversized hoodies, adjustable nylon caps, logo crew socks, a luxe t-shirt towel, and then also I threw in twist elongating style cream. I have a special coupon code for you. It's not available anywhere else, and it's going on for 7 days. Okay, back to the video. Bye. I hate doing roller sets. I love how they look, but I hate doing them. I hate how much time they take. I hate fumbling with rollers. And so today I'm going to show you how I get this roller set look, whether you're using perm rods, hard rollers, or flexi rods, which is what I use today. You can use this trick to get the job done faster, to use less rollers on your head overall, so it's more comfortable, and to just have a much better styling day. So here's my technique on how I cheat a roller set to get that curly look that I'm going for. I hope that this helps, and let's get into it. I shampooed, conditioned, detangled, and deep conditioned using the new Melanin Haircare Plumping Deep Conditioner. I want my hair to be super moisturized and hydrated because I'm using a mousse that has to be applied on bare hair. So don't skip the deep conditioner. I always twist my hair in sections while washing and conditioning to help keep my coils tangle free, but also helps me to organize my hair for styling. So now all I have to do is release one twisted section at a time, and I'm gently wrapping a soft hair tie around the base of the twist to keep that hair stretched. Now that the roots are secure in place, just release the twist, and we've got two perfect sections just waiting to be rolled. Apply a bit of mousse to each section, working the product in and smoothing the hair flat. And simply roll that section up using your roller of choice. I'm using flexi rods, and I like to roll the hair from the ends to the roots. I'm bending the flexi rod down like a hook to lock it in place. Now grab that other section of hair and repeat. Work the mousse into the section to saturate and flatten the hair, and then roll the hair up from ends to the top. Bending the flexi rod down like a hook to lock the hair in place. And that's literally it. How easy is that? Now just release the next twist and repeat this process. These little pre-made twisted sections end up being the perfect amount of hair to roll around a roller when split in half. And securing the base of the twist before you roll helps to give you more control over that section so that you're not fumbling with rollers or trying to get them to fit into the perfect spot on your head. Just unravel the section, apply your product of choice, and roll the hair up. It kind of helps to streamline the process. Here the twists were a bit larger, but no problem. Just split each section up as much as you need. This ponytail ended up having a total of 4 flexi rods on it. Completely customizable. Okay, so some tips and important info to know. When applying your hair ties at the base, don't make it too tight. It doesn't have to be uncomfortable to be secure. So be gentle. Your hair should be completely detangled prior to applying the mousse to keep this process quick. I detangled my hair when I conditioned in the shower, so just keep that in mind if you want a quick roller installation. When rolling the hair on flexi rods or perm rods, try not to overlap the hair on the roller. I only overlap the ends to lock them in place, but the rest of the hair should be rolled flat on the roller without overlapping if you want a quicker drying process. And lastly, I apply these hair ties at the bottom of some of my rollers for better control, and it will no longer move. So on these front sections, I'm applying mousse to my edges as well to keep them slicked back, and repeating that same process. Now that this half of my head is complete, I just repeat the exact same process to the other side. So now you can air dry overnight, but let's be real, I sat under my hooded dryer because ain't nobody got time. So this is actually the next day because I unfortunately lost sunlight. So I had the pleasure of sleeping in these rollers. So because of that, I just decided to cut the hair ties out at the base so that my roots could move freely while I slept. But of course, if I wasn't filming or waiting for the sunlight to return, I would have just unrolled my flexi rods that night and saved my hair ties, which is what you guys trying this method will do at home. Damn natural light. So now I'm just taking out the flexi rods, and you want to release them by twirling them out in the opposite direction that you put them in. This will help reinforce that curl pattern that you just set. So you notice that because of the hair ties, my roots are not as curled and have more of a stretched natural hair texture. That's the give and take for this quick flexi rod hack. Your roots will not be perfect. But when I'm styling my hair at home, I don't really care about perfection, and I find that when you pull the curls apart, the roots are hidden anyway. So I welcome the added volume and the minimized styling time. But I just want you to be aware of all the pros and cons to this hack. So now that the flexi rods are all out, I'm applying some Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend to my hands, and I'm gonna massage this into my roots to help loosen them up and to treat my scalp. And then I work the curls one by one, smoothing this greaseless, moisturizing oil into the curl and separating the curl where it naturally separates in order to give it a more natural look. Using my oil blend to keep any frizzing at bay. So just go in and break it apart, liven it up, add more volume, and just make it look as natural as you want.
Everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life.
To finish up my look, I'm covering my gray roots in the front and I'm using the Color Wow Color Powder. I featured this product in a YouTube short if you want to learn more about that. And I'm adding a bit of the Cream of Nature Styling Snot Gel to my edges in front. Yes, the name is horrendous, but it's a very good gel. I'm brushing my edges back and bobby pinning it in place.
It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
And that's it, my quick and easy roller set hack.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love.
I'm just always looking for ways to reduce my styling time, so if you're short on time as well but wanted to try this look, you now have an easy way.
Everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.
I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Your love, your love, your